Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1655 of What's She Up To Now. Documenting the journey as I transitioned originally from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. And I pretty much documented my journey over the last several years from, things I've tried, things that work, things that haven't worked online. And then back in 2020 when the pandemic hit, I said, okay, I need to go back and have my fingers in the pies of offline businesses as well. So this is the segment where I journal and document my journey, my business journey, both offline and online these days. And today's topics for content for Supersize Your Business are confidence-related idiom to coincide with the annual challenge, the BU 365-day challenge to do one thing every day that improves us, is comfort zone. And the comfort zone is an American term that came about in the mid to late 20th century. It is attributed to Alistair White. And he basically hypothesized that if you want to be a hard performer, you're going to have to take on a certain amount of stress. And of course, since then, that's been expanded on. And our comfort zone, there's 3 different types of comfort zone. Your comfort zone, where you're super comfortable and you just click along. Stretch comfort zone, where you're starting to push the edges of that. And then panic or stress comfort zone, where you're really out of your depth and it's like diving into the deep end of the pool and you're afraid to swim. It's you're in stress and panic sometimes, or eustress, which is good stress because you've jumped in the deep end of the pool on purpose to create something different in your life, a different experience. A lot of business owners who've started their own business know exactly what I'm talking about. You go from your comfort zone, working for someone else and having a job, and then jumping in the deep end of having your own business and having to figure things out because it all depends on you. So we talked about comfort zone. I love the topic of comfort zone because I used to spend a whole lot of my time only in my comfort zone. I only took on jobs that I was sure I could handle. I only took on businesses that I was sure I could grow and build and supersize. And now I'm pushing that envelope and I'm going into areas that I've never been involved in before. And that's exciting and fun. It's also a little scary, right? So our comfort zone is about doing things that scare us a little bit. Nothing's going to kill us, right? If I take on a business and it fails, I'm not going to die because of that. So it's different than our physical comfort. So I love the topic. Our topic for the annual challenge today was self-esteem, confidence and self-esteem. So I shared 7 different ways we can increase our self-esteem and 10 ways we can be more confident, feel more confident. And our challenge today is just to, as we go about our day, look for ways and things that increase our self-esteem, right? Not decrease. There's plenty of things that'll beat us up and make us not feel good about ourselves. So look for the things that make us feel good and do more of them. So that's it. I'm helping my mom move, so we got a whole bunch of projects going on. If I can help you in any way, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Bye.